This is not your average gaming keyboard. Today, we're unboxing the Redragon Artemis K719 Pro. Let's break the seal. Lifting the lid, the first thing that hits you is that bold, black and white, UV printed artwork. Let's see what else Redragon tucked inside. We have a premium, red accented USB-C cable. It's detachable and braided for durability. Next, we have the 2.4 GHz nano receiver, which actually has a dedicated magnetic storage slot on the side of the board, so you don't lose it. Finally, we get the essential maintenance kit, a heavy-duty metal keycap and switch puller, and a nice bonus, 4 spare Redragon Lion linear switches. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the hardware. This is a tactical 95 key layout. You're getting 96% of a full-size keyboard's functionality, but in a footprint that's 20% smaller. But look at the top right corner. This is the info island. It features a 1.4 1-inch TFT screen that displays your battery life, connection mode, and even custom GIF memes. It's not just for volume. You can use it to scroll through the screen's menu, adjust your RGB brightness, or even switch between your PC's system time and a custom logo. It feels incredibly tactile with a satisfying click at every notch. Let's go deeper. Using the puller, we're popping off these OEM profile PBT keycaps. These are thick, oil resistant, and the legends are crystal clear. Underneath, we find the Redragon Lion linear switches. These are the secret to that creamy sound everyone is talking about. They come thick lubed from the factory, which removes all the scratchiness you usually find in budget boards. And check this out. The board is a gasket mount design, but words only go so far. You need to hear the thock for yourself. Now let's do a quick typing test so you can hear how the Redragon Lion linear switches sound. The Redragon Lion linear switches deliver a smooth and consistent keystroke with a clean, deep sound profile. Every press feels effortless, producing a satisfying talk instead of a loud click. If you love fast, quiet typing with a premium acoustic feel, these switches are surprisingly enjoyable straight out of the box. Deep, marbly, and undeniably unique, the K719 Pro Graffiti Edition isn't just a keyboard. It's a desk statement. It brings high-end enthusiast features like gasket mounting and lube linears to a price point that's hard to beat. How does it sound to you? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Use code AUNBOXING for a discount on any Redragon products. Shop link in the description.